Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be doing another hair review. This is a kinky yaki texture hair. This is a 13x4. This unit is from UNice unit. It is a really nice unit. I love the cap. You do not have to wear a stocking cap like this underneath this wig at all because of this cap. It is optional, so I love that. It also comes with the regular strap that normally come with the unit, and it also comes with the drawstring. Y'all know I love me a good drawstring. The lace is very thin. It is a pre-cut lace, but I'm probably gonna cut some more of the lace off. With this hairstyle, I don't know, you guys. I want something very sleek, very chic. I'm thinking about a low, cute bun, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this unit on. Now this is a glueless unit if you only want to use the tape that comes with it, because when you get your unit, it's gonna come with some tape. You can use the tape, but I'm not gonna use the tape because I never do. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on really quickly. This is how the unit looks as soon as I put it on. Really love the way it looks. I did end up taking the stocking cap off, guys, because it wasn't needed. It does have two combs on the side, which is amazing. I did take the tape off. It was two pieces of tape on the side. I did go ahead and take it off because that's not the way I'm gonna be, that's not what I'm gonna be using today. The hairline and everything looks very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and use the drawstring in the back to tighten up the unit. All right, nice and tight and secured. You can feel that this unit is nice and secure, and I love that. I like that this hair is super full, but it's not heavy and it's not bulky. So here's the parting. Really nice parting space. Like I said, it's a 13x4. You can part it on the side if you want. You can do whatever you want. This looks very natural. So I'm going to put this in a clip. I'm going to glue her on. I'm going to fast forward that part, guys. But this looks so natural. This looks like natural hair. I love that. I always just take a clip, y'all. Like, this looks so natural. Even when I'm just like, the hair is so soft and beautiful. My Eben lace glue and my Eben Wonder lace spray. I'm gonna mix those together. I'm gonna do one layer of both. Alright, y'all. It took me a long time to flat iron this hair because it's so full, but this is how straightened I got it. Now, I do feel like I can get this a lot more straight if I was to use a different flat iron. I feel like the flat iron that I used, it was cool. But I like the texture of the hair. As you guys can see, it's nice and textured. Part down the middle. I did a little bit of baby edges, just a little bit. I really like the lace on this unit. I'm gonna tie it down a little bit more. I did use a little bit of lace tint on it because it was a little ashy on me, but that's normal. The more you tie it down, the more it melts to the skin. This is a 3x4, so the part stops. Sorry guys, let me get the part right for y'all. This hair looks very natural. Show y'all. That is the part. I didn't put any foundation or anything on the part. That's the lace. Everything looks very natural. I love the way it looks. You can also put it in a sleek ponytail. It lays really flat. Look, that is pretty. This is, I probably would wear it in a bun. I'm gonna wear my hair in a bun. This looks so good. A low pony would look so good. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out UNice unit. I'll leave it down below for you guys, just so you guys can see how the unit flat irons. Mind you, this hair was very full. It's still full, but see, it looks so freaking natural.